Standard 9 Maths second. Student, last few days we study unit number 1 basic concept in geometry and unit number 2 parallel line. Now today we study the unit number 3 triangles. First we have to explain some basic concept which we are studied in the previous standard. That's see first. See here, if we plot three non-collinear points and join these non-collinear points by a segments, then the figure so formed is called as triangle. There are 6 elements of a triangle. For examples, see in this figure ABC. There are 3 sides, means side AB, side BC and side AC. These are 3 sides, and there are 3 angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Means in triangle there are 3 sides and 3 angles. Together these are 6 elements of a triangle. Now in this unit today we have to study the properties of a triangle. To study the properties of triangle, first we explain that which are the interior angles of a triangle. See here, in triangle PQR, triangle P, triangle Q and triangle R, these are called as interior angles. And if we extend this ray QR such that the angle so formed, means angle PRS, this angle is called as exterior angle. Means what is the definition of exterior angle? The angle forming the linear pair with its interior is called as exterior angle. So first we studied the relation between exterior angle and the interior angle. See here, if PRS is the exterior angle, then how many we can draw the exterior angles to a triangle? See here, if we draw this ray, this angle form a linear pair with this angle. This is the interior, but this angle is the adjacent of this. So this is the linear pair. First, second, this angle also form a linear pair with this interior, adjacent interior angle. Therefore we have 2 exterior angles at the point at the vertex B. Therefore at every vertex we draw 2 exterior angles. See here, means for any triangle there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 exterior angles. First we have to study the property that what is the measure of this exterior angle, and there is relation between interior angles. See here, angle P, angle Q and angle R, these are 3 interior angles. 1, 2, 3. Angle PRS is the exterior angle. This angle forms a linear pair with this adjacent interior. This is interior, but this is adjacent interior, and these two are not adjacent to here. So angle P and Q, these are interior, but these are the remote interior angles. Remote means in Marathi which is called as दूरस्थ. हा कोण, हा एक्सटिरियर म्हणजे बाह्यकोन, या बाह्यकोनाच्या लगतचा अंतरकोन, आणि हे दूरचे अंतर्कोन. म्हणून आपल्याला या युनिटमध्ये सुरुवातीला एक्सटिरियर अँगल आणि रिमोट इंटिरियर अँगल यातली प्रॉपर्टी आपल्याला स्टडी करायची आहे. ती प्रॉपर्टी काय आहे पहा. त्या प्रॉपर्टीलाच आपण म्हणतो दॅट थेरम इज कॉल्ड ॲज रिमोट इंटिरियर अँगल्स ऑफ ए ट्रँगल. मीन्स see again that property, the measure of this exterior angle is the sum of these remote interior angles. If we cut this adjacent if cut this remote interior, if cut this and put here, if measure of this angle is 50, here we say 50, if measure of this angle is 60, see here, and we put here this 60, sum of these two means 50 plus 60, together we get the measure of these exterior angles. From this a new theorem is formed, that which is called as remote interior angle theorem. That theorem is called as remote interior angle theorem. We see remote interior angle theorem. See the statement of this theorem. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angle. Means मराठीमध्ये याला दूरस्थ अंतर्कोनाचे प्रमेय असे म्हणतात. यामध्ये काय दिलेलं आहे पहा. वी गिवन एनी ट्रायंगल, मीन्स फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ टू प्रूव्ह दिस थेरम a figure. This is triangle PQR. We take a one exterior angle of this triangle. Angle PRS is the exterior angle of triangle PQR. Means our given is that, what is the given? In triangle PQR, angle PRS is an exterior angle. And what is our aim? Means to prove that triangle is given. What is our aim? Measure of this exterior angle, means angle PRS or measure angle PRS is equal to sum means addition of the remote interior. This is the adjacent interior. Remote interior angles which are angle P and Q. The sum of its remote interior. This is our aim. PRS is the exterior angle. This is adjacent. Our aim is to prove that measure of this exterior angle is equal to sum of these remote interior angles. How can we prove this? See here. To prove any theorem or any property, we use the previous corollaries or axioms or some statements of the theorem. To remember any theorem, we have to remember that which property is used to prove this theorem. In this theorem, we use last property of the triangle. Sum of measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and linear pair axiom means sum of the linear pair is equal to 180. These two properties used to prove this theorem. Now see here, first property we use sum of measures of angles of a triangle, means angle P plus angle Q plus, here R means there are two angles, so we write angle R in three letters. Angle P R Q is equal to 180. This is the first statement. Angle P plus Q plus angle PRQ is equal to 180. Given reason is that sum of all angles of a triangle means sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We use this property, previous property. Second property, we use that these two angles means angle PRS and angle PRQ, these are linear pairs. Therefore linear pair oxim is that sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Angle PRQ plus angle PRS is equal to 180 degree. Linear pairs. Linear pair oxim or angles in linear pair. Now third or last statement in this theorem is that, now see here, statement number 1 and statement number 2. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Both right hand sides are equal. Means we have to conclude that their left hand sides are also equal. Therefore this is the left hand side of this statement, means angle P plus Q plus angle PRQ. This left hand side is equal to the another statement's left hand side, angle PRQ plus angle PRS. Now we see here in statement number 3, angle P means measure of the angle P. In both these sides, angle PRQ, angle PRQ, these are same in measure, therefore it is cancelled. And this statement we again write as, remember that the statement number 3 is concluded by statement number 1 and 2. So we give reason here from 1 and statement number 2. This is the reason for this statement. By cancelling both the angles, angle PRQ, angle PRQ on both the sides, we conclude that angle P plus angle Q is equal to angle PRS. So we have to prove here that measure of the exterior angles PRS is equal to sum of its remote interior angle. म्हणजे कोणत्याही त्रिकोणाच्या बाह्य कोनाचे माप हे त्याच्या दूरस्थ म्हणजे दूरच्या कोनांच्या मापांच्या बेरजे इतके असते. आणि याच थेरमला आपण रिमोट इंटिरियर अँगल ऑफ ए ट्रँगल या नावाने आपण ओळखतो. आता या प्रॉपर्टीचा आणि प्रिव्हियस प्रॉपर्टी जी आहे, त्रिकोणांच्या तिन्ही कोनांची बेरीज 180 अंश असते. या दोन प्रॉपर्टीचा वापर करून आपण पहिला जो एक्सरसाइज आहे, प्रॅक्टिस सेट नंबर 3.1, त्यातील काही उदाहरणांचा आपण इथे अभ्यास करणार आहोत. यातले उदाहरण क्रमांक 1 पहा. इथे तुम्हाला उदाहरण क्रमांक 1 काय दिलेलं पहा. इन ट्रायंगल ABC, ACD, this angle is exterior angle of this triangle and angle B has the measure 40 degree, angle A has the measure 70 degree. Now our aim is to find measure angle ACD. We have to see the property of theorem of remote interior angle, that is that angle ACD means measure of the exterior angle is equal to sum of its remote interior angle. So we can write answer here. Let first we write the angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Therefore, by using remote interior angle theorem, measure angle ACD is equal to, means measure of this angle is equal to sum of its remote interior, means angle A plus angle B. Now putting the values of angle A and angle B, we get 70 plus 40 means 110 degree. If in example, if remote interior angles are given, we can find the also measure of the exterior angles. means there is a relation between exterior angles and remote interior. If one of these angle is given and this angle is given, we can also find the measure of this angle, that by using the sum of measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means first we have to find the angle C, and also we find by using the linear pair of Jim angle ACD. But directly we find by using remote interior angle theorem, measure of this angle is the sum of its remote interior angle. Means angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Now we see the second example. In triangle PQR, angle P and Q, these two angles are given, and our aim find the third angle, means R. How can we find angle R? See, first write, let in triangle PQR, what is given? Angle P is given 70 degree and angle Q is given 65 degree. Our aim to find the measure of angle R. What is the relation between measure of three angles? Sum of measures of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we use this property here. We know that angle P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree. Putting the values of P and Q, 70 plus 65 plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. By adding this, we get 135 plus R is equal to 180 degree. By subtracting, changing this side, 180 minus 135, solve this here, subtraction 5, 4, means angle R is equal to 45 degree. Now in this example we see that if two angles are given, then third angle of the triangle is found by using the property sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. By using this property we find the third angle. Now we see the example number 3. What is the example number 3? Read carefully. The measure of angles of a triangle are. In example number 2, two angles are given. Measures of two angles are given. But here three angles are given. But measure of these angles in the form of variable. Now how can we find here? So we take any triangle, let in triangle PQR, denoted by angle P is equal to, angle P is equal to x degree. First angle denoted by P. Angle Q is equal to x minus 20 degree. Angle R is equal to x minus 40 degree. Our aim to find the angle P, Q and R. How can we find? Here x is the variable. If first we find the value of the variable and putting the values of x in angle P, Q, R, we get the measure of these angles. So we use also here, we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. By using this property again, angle P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree. Putting the values of PQR, x plus x minus 20, x minus 40 is equal to, adding the equal variables x plus x plus x, similar terms, x plus x plus x we gives 3x, minus 20 minus 40 gives minus 60. This is the right hand side. Now see here, minus 60 by transferring on this side, 180 plus 60 means 240, x is equal to, dividing 240 by 3, 3 1, 3 8 are 24, 0 means value of x is 80. First we have to find the value of x. Now we find our aim, the value of angle P. Value of angle P is x, means 80 degree. Value of angle Q is equal to x minus 20, means 80 minus 20 gives 60 degree, and value of angle R, we write here hence x minus 40 means 80 minus 40 gives 40 degree. Therefore angle P 80 degree, angle Q 60 degree, angle R 40 degree. These are the measures of respective triangle. Means if the three angles given in the variable form, we find by using same property, sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Now we see the example number 4. Same example repeated in example number 4. This is the word problem. The measure of one of the angles of a triangle is twice the measure of its smallest angle, and the measure of the other is thrice the measure of the smallest angle. Find the measure of three angles. Now this example, by reading, we convert it into mathematical language. First we take any triangle, let in triangle PQR. One of the angle of a triangle is twice, means one angle is smallest. We take smallest angle P. Say measure of this angle is x degree. Angle Q. Now there are two statements. See here, measure of one of the angles of a triangle is twice the measure of the smallest angle. Angle Q is the twice, means 2x degree, and the measure of the another means angle R, third angle, thrice means 3x degree. Our aim is to find the value of angle P, Q and R on the same manner of the procedure of solution of example number 3. Again we know that measure of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. By substituting these values, x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree, means 6x is equal to 180, x is equal to 180 by 6, means x is equal to, on dividing we get value of x is 30. Now putting this value in respective angles, angle P has the value x, means 30 degree, angle Q 2x means 2 into 30 gives 60 degree, and angle R is equal to 3 into 30 means 90 degree. Hence we have to get these values of respective triangle. Also we use here same property, sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So students, in this video we studied the first property, means first theorem, remote interior angle theorem, and some examples in practice set 3.1, means example number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in next day we studied the few next examples in practice set 3.1. We stop here.